I just need you back. Apartment 46, yeah. Just for your attention, I work hard for it.
This is the packaging that the hair came in from Bestsojoy here, and it's the Brazilian body wave. The bundles are very nice and full. And here's the closure. It's a 3-part closure, and the knots, the lace is pretty dark. And here's our closure, which on the wig I already constructed. You see, the closure looks like it's plucked. It's very nice. And the baby hairs are there. So we're just going to separate the baby hair and cut our lace off of the closure. The hairline on the closure, you guys, is so nice. I know it's plucked. Just have a look at it. It is definitely plucked. And there we go with our baby hairs, and you can just cut them down to the size that suits you. Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. I am coming on today with another hair review for you guys. Yes, I am. And this time I have some Brazilian body wave, and the lens I have in are 22, 20, 18, and a 16-inch closure. Brazilian body wave, you guys. And the company that I ordered this here from is called Bestsojoy. Yeah, Bestsojoy here. Put the name right here. Yeah, they're a company from Amazon, and their prices are very reasonable, you guys. OMG, their prices are good. And the hair, okay, let's get first into dealing with them. It was good, so I said good customer service. The shipping was fast. Like I said, Amazon, their shipping is fast. I showed you how it came with baby hair in the closure, you guys. Baby hairs, so you just cut them a little shorter and gel them down. Now, I'm not the best person at gelling down baby hair, okay? I'm not the best person gelling down baby hair, but I do what I can, and I think it looks okay. Yeah, so like your closure can look like a frontal. Hey, yeah. With the baby hairs, you give the illusion that you're wearing a frontal and not a closure, which is super cute. And it comes with the baby hairs already for you, so you don't have to struggle like I did the last time to part them and cut them. Yeah, they come long and then you just cut them to the length that you want, which is super cute. I love it. I absolutely love it. And all I did was put some foundation in the part. The closure I got, I think it was a 3-part closure. Yeah, I think it was a 3-part closure that I got, which I'm using the middle part. And I just put some powder in the part. Like I tell you, I don't bleach my knots. I'm not good at that. I don't want to try it. The powder works fine. Yeah, if you know how to bleach your knots, power to you. You can do that. That's good. Yeah, but the hair is so nice, you guys. Look at the hair. The hair is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. See that? It's so super nice. And it's so soft. Really nice. When the hair is nice and soft, you know it's good quality. And I've been wearing it for a few days now, and it's still very manageable and still very nice. Like, you know, I make my wigs. I have a little mesh wig cap, so I take it off at night and put it back on. But you know, I've been out all day and my lazy curls are still here, which is nice. Yeah, I've been out today, just got back. But you know, I like doing my hair reviews after I've been out for a while. Wearing the hair all day, come in, turn on the camera. Best time to show you how the hair is. Yeah, in my opinion, it is. The hair is very nice, very long, very full. 3 bundles, you guys. And you see how full it is? It's full and nice. And full right down to the ends. Full right down to the ends. And the hair is nice and soft. Really nice and soft. And I'm not getting any tangling with the hair, which is nice. The hair is really nice, you guys. And for that price, OMG, the prices are very reasonable. You know, I'm a diva on a budget. So I look the good qualities here with the cheapest price to bring to you guys, so you can get some for yourself also. Yeah. So like I said, this hair is nice and soft, and it comes in a natural black, as you can see. I didn't color it or anything. It's in a natural black, and the lengths are long. This is 22, which is very long. Yeah. All right, you guys. I'm gonna leave a link below to Bestsojoy Hair Company, so you guys can go over and check them out. Like I said, their bundle deals are off the roof. Great prices, nice bundles, quality hair, you know, and that's what we need. Good price, good quality, right? Yes. So I'm going to leave the link below for you guys to go check out Bestsojoy Hair Company on Amazon and get some bundles for yourself. And they have different textures too. Different kinds of hairs, different textures. You choose the one you like. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing the review that I had to do today for Bestsojoy Hair Company. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye everyone. You beside me, yeah. You beside me.